Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back again. My name is Trent Collins, and like I always say, I'm not a salesman, I'm more of a resource of information. Day and age of salesmen, I believe, is long dead. Everybody does a lot of shopping and information gathering on the internet. They know what to expect to pay, and they just want to be treated right. So that's my main goal, is to treat people like people from the very beginning. This here is a new Mesa Ridge Lite. It is a half-ton towable fifth wheel. It's called a 2950 BH, so it's a 29-foot floor plate. Just under 8,500 pounds, guys. This is a giant coach, a giant fifth wheel for 8,500 pounds. Any F-150, 1500, Dodge Ram or Silverado, GMC Sierra could tow this. See, I've got the baggage doors open on it, so as we walk around from the front to the back, let's go a quick rundown in it. Give me your next 10 minutes. You'll be pleasantly surprised with the new floor plan layout here. So starting once again in the front, 2019 Mesa Ridge 2950 BH. This is from their Lite lineup. So it's 96 inches wide, full aluminum framing in the walls, bonded and welded. Still has all the same insulation factors and construction quality of the wide body Mesa Ridges. Coming from a premium trailer. You can see the expansive power awning on the outside, marine grade speakers built directly into the arms of the awning, so they're firing sound back at and towards the coach instead of out and away from it. Aluminum tread steps, no rusting or binding. Aluminum alloy wheels with the Equiflex polyurethane isolator suspension from Lite Controls. In 2019, they are now Dexter axles. Full electric self-adjusting trailer brakes, drum brakes on both axles. Little storage pocket here. You can see all the nice LCI slam latches. All keyed alike, so everything's the same key. Nice magnetic catches, none of the chintzy plastic ones to break off on you. Fully finished out little interior storage cabinet with the GFCI receptacle inside of it. You can see how thick the walls are on the doors, on the baggage doors as well. Here's the outdoor kitchen in the Mesa Ridge 2950. Little mini fridge, ice trays, GFCI receptacle obviously on that side and on this side. Pull out kitchen countertop. It's all galvanized steel, so it won't rust or corrode on you. Super easy to clean up any grease or splatter you get on it. Hot and cold running water on the sink that actually drains to the gray tank, doesn't just drain on the ground and get your feet all wet. Go ahead and close this slam latch door here. See how nice and firm it closes shut, looking down the door side of the trailer. Here in the back, you've got the swing out grill. So the grill's still in the box under the bed, but the swing out grill mount is mounted from the factory on the back. LED lighting inside and outside, 17.8 gallon per hour hot water heater, spare tire cover with full size spare tire, fully walkable roof with access ladder built into the back, pre-wired for the Furrion backup camera. The roof is a PVC roof material. It's better than anything on the market. Thicker, more light and heat reflective. Comes with a 15-year guarantee. You can see the button for the power jack on the back. Power stabilizers. As we walk around the front, fully automotive grade gel coat laminated fiberglass. They don't do a pinch roll, they actually stick it in a heat press laminator, and it's laminated at 144 pounds per square inch for 14 to 16 minutes depending on temperature and humidity. Here's something unique. You can see the fully finished out interior with astrofoil lining and aluminum stud floors. You can see how nice and clean their welds are at their joints. You can see the enclosed radiant heated underbelly, nice and fully finished out underneath. There's a motion light on the other side, you'll see when we kick it open. 4 minutes in, haven't even made it inside. Dual propane tanks on the outside on an auto regulator. Power jacks on the front. LED running light on the front as well. So here you can see the fully vented and set up ready for the generator. Battery disconnect switch in there. Now let's go inside. Oh, you saw the light come on as I walked past it. Third 20-pound tank bottle on this side as well. Wired for solar. Pre-wired for Wi-Fi, if you can see that. Once again, 2950 BH. 3-year structural warranty, thermal package, so fully enclosed underbelly. And this is the inside of the coach. Absolutely a beautiful floor plan. Somebody that's looking for something that's totally towable. 2 big drawers as you walk in here. The top drawer is sectioned, partitioned off. Pressed membrane countertops, dual stainless steel, dual basin sink and stainless steel faucet. The nice upgraded Furrion 3-burner glass cooktop, splash guard built in, nice ambient lighting. Pet food drawer beneath it, water and food. And big pot drawer, finished out to look exactly like the Furrion oven. Cabinets, drawers. Mesa Ridge is very, very good at putting storage everywhere they possibly can. These doors are pure glass faced in the front. Stainless steel microwave, stainless steel Norcold RV fridge, and then the entertainment center over here. 5100 BTU fireplace, AM, FM, DVD, CD, Bluetooth, Furrion speakers built into it, Furrion 39-inch TV on an auto swivel, and there's some extra hiding storage behind there as well. Back into the bunk bedroom. This is a really nice touch. I like how they did the bunk bedroom back here with all the storage. Big sliding barn door with arched entryway. It's a giant door. You look in the 2 big double bunks. Storage underneath the bottom bunk. Ladder built in so you can get up to the top bunk. Windows in both, lights in both, USB plugs and GFCIs in both. Extra storage under the bunks there as well, in the slide out drawer. And then a giant wardrobe. All these drawers are super deep. All of them are functional. 8 drawers, giant hanging wardrobe. And then back looking at the front of the coach. This one's got the big super sofa, so 2 pedestal tables, pull out 150-pound drawer underneath the 2 ends, and a trifold sofa in the middle. Only got 1 pedestal table up right now, just so you can see. See all the real wood craftsmanship as far as the trim goes. Real wood on all the cabinet door faces and frames. And as you go through the hallway up into the master bedroom, queen bed, wardrobe closets on either side, nice overhead storage, LED reading lights, pre-wired for Wi-Fi, extenders like I said, GFCIs on both sides of the bed, along with little drawers and nightstands. Fully residential queen size bed, so it's a true 60 by 80. Storage underneath. You can see that's the grill, some of the optional accessories, the air mattress for the trifold bed out front, spray port, 50 amp power cord. This is a 50 amp unit. That's the second AC. Second position for mounting a TV, and then a slide out wardrobe here, shared halfway in the bedroom and halfway in the bathroom, which we'll go into now. Bathroom has a giant 34-inch corner enclosure, stainless steel fixture, shower skylight, vent fan built in, porcelain toilet bases with foot flush. Once again, solid surface countertops, undermount stainless steel sink, stainless steel faucets, nice deep medicine cabinets, and drawers everywhere you can think of them. Guys, as always, like I say, I'm a resource of information, so please do not hesitate to ask me if you have any questions. Either PM through my channel, or you can find my cell phone number to directly contact me in the comments section below. Once again, this coach weighs 8,450 pounds with full propane tanks and will be a great addition to your family. Think about all the fun you could have in here. Fully closed off bunk bedroom, so you don't have to go to sleep when the kids do. And as we go out, I'll show you 8,448 pounds of full propane tanks. Cargo should never exceed about 1,500 pounds, so you're right at 10,000 pounds fully loaded. Once again, just a beautiful coach down the side. Thank you all for watching again today. Let me know if you have any questions. Once again, my name's Trent Collins. I'm here in the Knoxville, Tennessee area, and I'd love to be your RV go-to guy. Have a a great day.